Okay, I'm gonna do this first page, is 6.6 homework 85, solving rate problems. So the first one says this package of sliced cheese costs $2. Let's see. So it's $2.97, and it's for 11 slices. Okay, how much would a package with 18 slices cost at the same price per slice? So let's see. So we know that 11 slices equals to $2.97. Therefore, they're asking for 18 slices. 2.97 times 18 equals to 53.46, and this is 11x divided by 11. Okay, divided by 11, what we get is $4.86. Okay, so that's number one. Explain or show your reasoning. So add the same rate as this. Okay, that's number one. Let's see, number two, a copy machine can print 480 copies every 4 minutes. For each question, explain or show your reasoning. Okay, a copy machine can print 480 copies every 4 minutes. Okay, so now let's see, how many copies can it print in 10 minutes? So every 4 minutes. So once again, we're gonna go 4 minutes equals to 480 copies. So how much is it? They said 10 minutes. 10 minutes equals to x copies. Okay, now we're gonna cross multiply. So we have 4x equals to 4800 divided by 4 divided by 4. So 1200 equals to x, this many copies. Okay, boom. That's for 2A. And B, a teacher printed 720 copies. How long did it take to print? So let's see, the unit rate here is 480 copies per 4 minutes. That means that 480 divided by 4 equals to 120 copies per minute. Therefore, if she printed 720 copies, if we divide this, 120 by 120 copies per minute, 720 divided by 120 equals to 6 minutes. So this equals to 6. Okay, now let's see. 3, it says Andre sometimes mows lawn at the weekend to make extra money. 2 weeks ago, he mowed a neighbor lawn for half an hour and earned $10. So it's 30 minutes. He earned $10. Okay, last week he mowed his uncle's lawn for 3.5 hours. So for 90 minutes and earned $30. Okay. This week, he mowed the lawn of a community center for 2 hours, and for 2 hours, so for 2 hours, that's going to be 120 minutes, and he also earned $30. Which job paid better than others? Explain your reasoning. So, for this one, he had 30 minutes equals to $10. Okay, this is 90 minutes was $30. So it looks to me that if he were for this one, let's see, better than next, explain your reasoning. Okay, so 30 minutes. So here he only worked 5 hours equals to 10. So let's find a common multiple. Okay, so it's $10. So this is 1.5 hours equals to 30, and this is 2 hours. Okay, so a common multiple of these would be the number 6, right? So let's say that he works 6 hours. At this rate, how much money would he get? Well, here we have to multiply by 12, no? 12 times half equals to 6. So 12 times 10 equals to $120, okay? If he worked at this rate, if he worked at 6 hours, this we have to multiply by 4. So 30 times 4 equals to $120. And if he worked here 6 hours, we would multiply 2 hours, you got 30 minutes. So here we have to multiply 3, and here's just $90, okay? So it looks like the first and the second one will give us the same amount of money. So it looks like the, okay, 2 weeks ago, so the neighbor and his uncle both paid a equal amount per hour, and that was the best paid jobs. Okay, boom. So decompose this polygon so that there's an area of calculated emergence. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do in the next video.